Good morning, everyone. Ben McMillan, Weather Nation Facebook team here. We are in Jamaica, and it's just after 7 a.m. here. We are near the Norman Manley Airport on the outer coast, the south shores of Jamaica here, near Kingston. And you can see the surf has really picked up. Starting to get some waves approaching 15 feet in height now that are breaking as they come into shore. So we'll be monitoring this surf throughout the day for potential storm surge issues as this Category 4 hurricane moves into the area. Some latest updates from the National Hurricane Center. The storm is about 220 miles southeast of Kingston, where we're at here. And it's moving north at about 6 miles an hour. So the storm has slowed quite a bit, which could be some good news for residents here as they have more time to prepare, but it could also be bad news if the storm is moving through here slower because of the enhanced rainfall totals. As you know, flash flooding is a concern here, and for all that extra rain that they're expecting, there could not only be flooding threats, but mudslide threats as well. Here comes some of those larger waves out here. They're coming in much more frequently than they were yesterday. You can see there's 2, 3 in a row. But one good thing out here today is the winds have not picked up too much. So with the slower storm movement, we are further out of the wind field. It was expected that we'd be in at least some tropical storm conditions here this morning in Kingston. But now they're saying the storm will be closest to this area now this evening and potentially make an impact on Haiti also during the overnight hours. But everyone in the Caribbean, Haiti, Dominican Republic, Jamaica, the Bahamas, needs to monitor this storm system as it has the potential to remain a major hurricane as it moves north throughout the area. Stay tuned to Weather Nation for updates on Facebook and on the television side throughout the day here. There's one of those bigger waves out there coming in. And we'll bring you the latest information on this major hurricane as it approaches Jamaica and Haiti. Really big waves now. And obviously keep these folks in your thoughts as you go throughout your day today. But the good news is no severe impacts from the hurricane yet as of this morning here in the Jamaica area. We're going to be heading into downtown Kingston now, so we'll be moving areas, and we'll bring you more updates from the city to see how folks are doing in there. So just make sure to check back with us throughout the day. You can subscribe to the live notifications from the Weather Nation Facebook page for updates out here. And again, please watch us on Apple TV, Roku, on your mobile phone device. We have an app which has a direct feed to the television broadcast through it. So multiple ways to get information today as this hurricane moves through the Caribbean. On behalf of the whole Weather Nation team, I'm Ben McMillan. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll be back with you later today.